Nike is already setting the tone for cooler weather with the upcoming Air Max 90 Light Smoke Gray, part of its Fall 2025 collection. Priced at $135, this release dials back the brightness in favor of a sleek, neutral palette that echoes the gray-centric DNA of the Air Max 95. The upper is divided between light and steely grays, delivering a clean and structured aesthetic. Jet black hits ground the design, appearing on the outsole, branding, and a rare mini swoosh, an unusual but striking detail on Tinker Hatfield's classic silhouette. Although there are still a few months of warm weather left, this desaturated offering proves that it's never too soon to transition your rotation for the upcoming season. While it skips the earthy tones often tied to fall drops, the light smoke gray maintains year-round versatility and delivers a subtle yet standout option for sneakerheads who lean toward understated style.